Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Shouldn't have gotten them presents.
Mommy!
Huh?
Oh, it's okay, boy. Shh, that's a good boy. You guys okay?
Mm-hmm.
Rookie has won the Piston Cup.
Yes! We have a...
Next stop is the hospital. Whoa!
Don't worry, I'll bring you some flowers.
Oh!
They do it! These are the same ingredients as back home, but it tastes so good.
It's organic.
It's really slippery.
Sure you're okay climbing alone?
Don't worry, I'll be all right.
Stop at Flo's V8 Cafe. Finest fuel on Route 66.
No, we just talked. We're gonna be going now, okay?
A little something to remember us by.
Racers. Except for Cal. Guys, I'm still right here. Team Dynaco crew.
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen? Hoy que es el más veloz del oeste.
Ahí va de regreso.
¿Qué pasó? Estás de...
I can't stop You can't breathe. You are loser.
I'm about to commit a moving violation!
Entonces, ¿estos tractores de dónde vienen?
Aha, laugh it up. Real fun.
Jen, I've completed the repair of the Apple Road emergency phone. Can you hear me? Yep, loud and clear.
No. You don't know what you want. Luigi know what you want.
Fortune converted himself from a gas guzzler into an electric car and has devoted his life to finding a renewable.
You hear the glow?
You don't have three-wheel brakes, so you gotta pitch it hard, break it loose.
See Frank, so I brought him here to the fire station.
Is that so?
motor fabrieken.
Neem nou een slokje water. Die hik en soldaat.
Jongen, Takel, zet hem neer.
Right here.
Mama! Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sorry.
I get it. I get it. I know what needs to be done.
Then do it.
What? No.
Good job, man.
Ramon will paint you up right. Hey, anything you want. You know, like the blame job.
It's for Lightning McQueen to choke, pass him, then win. Francesco always wins. It's boring.
Boy, you're in a heap of trouble.
El corredor se ha creado todo un revuelo. Jackson Storm, otro gran triunfo contra el viejo.
Champ. He's the elder statesman of the sport, you know? Takes everything I got to beat him.
Basing this on a what if?
Okay, that's it.
Wait, somebody save me!
Trusted Axelrod. You're dead wrong, man. It was him.
You've done the work. Now move on to the next phase and reap the reward. The race.
In Strip Weather's final season, Chick Hicks was poised to be crowned the new king of Dynaco.
What do you have at your store?
Tires.
And if no one can get to you?
I want to sell, Annie.
No pit stopo. Comprendo?
Okay. Gentlemen.